so a week has passed now. We vacuum sealed it and we kept it in the fridge, so it's been doing its job. Every day I was flipping it over, massaging it a bit. So we'll open it up now and we're going to go to the next process. Make sure when you cut these vacuum sealed bags, cut them nice and straight so you can reuse them again. They're expensive. All right, so here is our beautiful laid out Capocollo. You can tell now the texture is a little harder. It's been doing its job. The aroma is amazing. Okay, so now you could put them in a veil, which is like your intestines. We're not going to do that today. We're going to try something different that I was told to do, and it worked for a buddy of mine, and we're going to try it ourselves. And that's using a plant-based steak wrap. Okay, and you can get these on Amazon, and they're from Sausage Maker, and it's called dry steak wraps. And it's for dry aging. You could dry age a steak with these, I heard, for 5 weeks, 6 weeks. And the longer that you do it, the better the steak gets. And you all know that. And we're going to try that too, the next video. Anyway, dry aging steak wraps is what we're going to do. So you get them in sheets. They're not cheap. I'm going to tell you guys that now. They're pretty expensive. But it's all plant-based. So you don't need to worry about any chemicals or anything on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to just lay it down right to the center here. And we're going to wrap it. And you want it to, so you're not going to dry, like pat dry it, because you want it to be wet so the wrap will stick to it nicely. Okay, so we're going to have that nice and tight that way and go over it this way. I'm going to cut some of the excess off. I'm going to flip it over this way. Now I'm going to just wet my hands a little bit here. Like that. So you make sure that there's no open areas on it. Okay. The next cool thing that they give you is they give you the netting. So we are going to put them in the netting, and the netting keeps everything in place. So they are expensive. Like I told you, I think I paid $30 or close to $30 for it, but it's well worth it. And you get 3 sheets, so we're gonna go like that. So we're gonna tie it up. So we're gonna get this all tied up and ready to go, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do in the next one, okay? Okay, so now we've tied it all up, we're ready to go. So look how pretty that looks. Isn't that nice? And it's going to, as it ages now, it will start to shrink, and it will take, and the retina, the mesh will hold it into place, okay? So we're going to hang it now. You can hang it in your garage if you've got it at +2, +3 degrees Celsius, or if you don't have it that cool, you can put it in your fridge. You want to hang it in your fridge. If you're not going to hang it in your fridge, then you just put it on a grill and with a pan underneath it, so it will get air, and every couple of days just turn it over and leave it. And we're going to let it sit for 5 to 6 weeks. And so this is how I've got it in the fridge, just like that. And now we're going to let it stay, and every day or every 2 days, just take it and flip it over and let it sit like that in the fridge for, we're going to give it about 5 weeks, and then we'll cut it open and we'll see that one on the next video. All right, you guys. Well, after about 6 weeks, I let it stay a little bit longer. Awesome color, and I tell you, it's amazing. Tastes absolutely amazing. So again, this is your lining here, just peels right off. So you can re-vacuum pack it. I usually re-vacuum pack. I'll cut, you know, how much I want, and then I'll vacuum pack the rest. And then, yeah, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy it and do exactly as I told you, and that's exactly what you're gonna get. It is just tastes amazing. So like I said, like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the bottom. And please, I'm asking you to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And the more subscriptions we got, the more we can keep this channel going. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will make sure that I do get back to you. I'm going to do, like I said, a video real soon here about all the comments that I get left, that they're asking me all these questions, and I'm going to answer all your questions for you. Okay? Love you all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Hi everybody. Well, I'm back again. That last video that we did with the wine and garlic sausage that I made, now I've dried some up. Remember I told you that you can dry it up? Well, here it is, nicely dried. 2 weeks have passed. I don't want to overdo it, it gets too hard. You could leave it more if you're going to be eating it hard, that's fine, but I'm going to be still cooking it. I'm going to give you a recipe today that all my friends go nuts for, and this is how they do it back in Sicily. We make it with the black olives, which are the Moroccan black olives, kind of dried olives, which is so good. You've got my sausage, remember the sausage that you did. You got garlic, maybe about 3 or 4 cloves, 5 cloves of garlic, onion, and 1 pepper.